They do have a nice selection. I was definitely being a hater. I was being such a hater. So we're in Walmart. There's music, but I'm going to show you the sad selection that they have. Oh, they have some. They do have some out here. I didn't even know they had a whole thing. This doesn't even look real. We're forgetting to look at the prices these days. $21.97. 5-inch cuddly cactus. That's why it's so cute. It's a cuddly cactus. And they have more succulents. Just leaving Lowe's again, coming off of a plant mom downer because the plant that I wanted last night got sold out. Somebody bought it. It was the only rare, what's called out here? It was the only rare, beautiful, like highly variegated, either it was global or emerald green. After this video, I promise I won't talk about it no more. Plastic. $24.97. We have, what is this? Mass cane. I think I called it yucca the other day. I definitely get plant names confused. I say terrarium when I mean terrarium, or terrarium when I mean terrarium. I don't know. But y'all know. Like, you know my heart. You know what I'm trying to say. It's all good. But I appreciate the comments. But if comments get too, like, rude or blah, I definitely block you. Look at these. I think they're pear plants, so they're calatheas. Yeah, I'm getting good at saying calatheas. It's so freezing out here. It's 40 degrees right now in Washington. Wow, fire sticks for, oh, please don't fall. $22.96. It's very heavy. Wow. Ooh, it's so heavy. I can't believe, well, I guess, succulents are very perseverant. What am I trying to say? Perseverance. Was that my papa? They're strong. They're adorable. So here's some more of the plants, some Fittonia. They're doing really well to be out in the cold. My boyfriend was like, you'll be okay. We'll find something way better. Because we're headed to Seattle. And I'm like, I hope so. I knew I should have bought it. But one reason I didn't buy that plant like right away, and a lot of reasons why I don't buy the plants right away, is because they're in decorative planters, and I want something that's in a nursery planter for like a really good price. But as I say that, here's the Exotic Angel plant collection by Costa Farms. Purple Passion, looking yummy. There we go. Pretty baby. Pan Am. I've never seen this one. Maybe I have. A Pan Am Pelea Evolcrata from Peru. Peru. Is that what he's saying in that song, y'all? Ed Sheeran blanked on that song, though. He was like, I'm in West London this evening. What's up, girl? I was like, oh, okay, Ed. Does anyone use these to treat their plants or to water their plants? I've seen some people use them. I told my boyfriend we should try this for our larger plants. I think it'd be nice. They do have a nice selection. I was definitely being a hater. I was being such a hater. I was like, they're not gonna have anything good. Ooh, pretty. This is where I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to get to Florida right now. I don't know what the weather's like there, but yeah, Washington State just does not agree with this Southern Belle. Who are you? Pothos HB. I think it's just lifeless, like it needs some light, but who knows? Peperonia Napoli Nights. That's pretty. For $12, that's an awesome price. It's a really, really good price, actually. String of dolphins here. have some larger floor plants. Excuse me. Majesty palms, split leaves, fiddle leaf. This is my first time like talking. I guess not. I was talking to my boyfriend, but you really got to put a lot of effort into talking or speaking on YouTube, you know? The grammar police are here. There's like automated caption people from YouTube, like checking to see if I'm talking about offensive things or saying anything bad. They have lots of those paleas, the night something, whatever it was called. They have tons of those. This is a pretty baby. This is a pretty baby. I wasn't expecting this. I give it up to this location. I gotta make sure I get the address because I was not expecting. Oh man, you don't have a price. You know how they act like at the thrift store when a plant doesn't have a price on it? I think this one's like 20 something. And I have tons of outdoor plants. Oh, that guy was walking up. I could hear somebody walking up behind me. Ay, yay. Ooh. Oh, fake plant. Of course, I like the one that's not real. I'm like, oh, you look different. I haven't seen you around. Of course you haven't, lady. I'm not real. Oh, night owls on clearance. Yeah. I would love to save one of these. I could like repot it right now. Oh, look at that. For $6. But I really don't have no room for you. Ugh. That's another thing when you're buying plants. You got to think about like the space in the room when it comes to decorative planters. I was telling my boyfriend this. I think I just told y'all this. I don't like to just buy it just because I want the plant. Like I kind of want the decorative planter too, because that raises the price that I'm going to pay by at least half, if not more. So I'm surprised by the amount of succulents here, but I guess they are just preparing for spring and getting new plants in. Some money trees back there, looking a little sad. I remember like a couple months ago, all I could find was sad money trees, and now the money trees are just like looking amazing out here. I think that the succulents are doing really well because there's this heater right here. So there's a heater somewhere, but the other plants are kind of getting a little dried out. Ooh, China Scantia hiding back there for $5.97. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Terrarium. I always say terrarium. I think I mixed like terrarium and planetarium or planet. I don't know what I'm saying. I just don't know. Sometimes it's just like what comes out of my mouth. Because like my whole life, of course, I had to speak proper English, but that is not how. Oh, look at the little birdie. That is not how my mouth moves or how it wants to move. I have this one right here, watering globe. Does anybody use those? These are my favorite. I think I'm gonna make like a favorite plant accessories, plant supply video, but this is my favorite because you can water 2 plants at the same time on this. Or either on these 2 like big ones, but this is really good. It came to find me.